Hello and welcome to another edition of Treusch Tries. Today I'm trying the third out of 3 Hail Marys that I had. This one is supposed to be chocolate almond buttercup, so I'm excited about it. This has the potential to be my favorite out of all of them. So it looks almost identical to the espresso one. Except it doesn't smell like coffee. Oh, there's got like some almondy butter stuff in the middle. That was a nice surprise. So, this is better than the espresso. I'm not quite sure if it's as good as the lemon one, but again, it's still very good. And I can give this an enthusiastic thumbs up.